Brother Umar Mujahid in the 12th question today said, if I go to the toilet and I pass urine while sitting and I often leak in my pants, even though I think I have finished, and while I'm praying as well, do I have to be washing my underclothes whenever I urinate, because immediately I stand up and I leak in my underclothes? Okay. This condition is medically known as urine incontinence because it is continuous. It is not something that happens occasionally, like some people suffer from that during winter because of the cold weather. Or some people suffer from that only after urination, so a drop would leak. In this case, the person must sit down and make sure that he leak this drop, and that's it. And of course, wash your private, then perform your wudu and offer the prayer. But the case we have, according to Brother Umar, is a urine incontinence. It is continuous. He does not have control over the sphincter which controls urination. So he simply can drop urine at any time, while praying, while walking, something continuous. This condition in fiqh is known as salasul bawl, which gives the person who is diagnosed with this medical condition, it gives him the concession to do the following. And look at the ease that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us. ما يريد الله ليجعل عليكم في الدين من حرج. Allah does not want to burden you on account of your religion. يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر. Allah wants to make things easy for you, does not want to make it hard and difficult for you. In this condition, the person would simply wait until it is the adhan time, or once the prayer time has entered, then you perform wudu. And then pray. Of course, you wash your private, you wear a pad in your underclothes or a few tissues or napkins to collect the urine drops, in case that you drop them. Then you make wudu and you offer the prayer. Even if you feel yourself leaking the urine drops within the prayer is still valid. And this wudu will be valid for this fard prayer, along with the relating nawafil, such as the sunan before and the sunan after. 4 rak'ahs before dhuhr, 2 after dhuhr. All of that you pray and you feel yourself still leaking urine, the prayer is valid. Similarly, al-istihada, the regular bleeding for women which is not the menses. And similarly, the person who has a problem with the defecation process. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us ease. Alhamdulillah wa shukrillah. Barakallahu feekum.